welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about the new beautiful highlighter from Chanel, and it's the highlighter from the Perles Éclats collection, and it's this beautiful illuminating blush. So something a little bit different from a traditional highlighter. I ordered this product from Chanel, and in Italy it's been released some days ago, so I know that this collection is available worldwide. I think since months or something like this, so I'm late for this reason. So I received this beautiful Chanel box, and this is the illuminating blush. I hesitated a little bit to purchase this product because I really thought that even if it was so beautiful to look at, I thought that it could be darker for my skin tone, and it's a masterpiece, I mean. So have a look how beautiful this blush is. So there is another stick balm in this collection that is a beautiful silver highlighter, and it is a pearlescent. It's a limited edition, I think, and it's quite a white silver, and I was so in love with that shade, but I thought that maybe powder could look better for me, and I'm still uncertain about that stick because I got it on my mind, so maybe I will take it, I don't know. When I bought this highlighter, so I was so afraid that this shade was not the perfect shade for me because I'm very fair, you see. I'm a number 2 from Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and I'm between number 10 and 20 for a Chanel foundation. So yes, I'm very fair, and everything that is a little bit warmer for me doesn't really look good in terms of highlighter. I just destroyed the pattern, the upper part, but I had to try this illuminating blush. So now I'm wearing this blush. There is the second part of the video where I do my makeup and I let you see this highlighter in action. Now you can see once applied how this highlighter really looks natural on fair skin. So it's really a sort, if that makes sense, of sculpting illuminating blush. So something between illuminating blush and also a contour effect. A traditional highlighter thing that I almost suggest is to pick it up with a finger or a small brush and just put it on individual points of your face. Instead, this product really works better if you spread it. I mean, you have to blend it. You have inside this brush, and literally it's the best way to blend this product because you take just few amounts of this product and you have to blend it like this. So you can take it also with your finger, apply, and then I suggest you to blend it like a blush, I mean. But I use it also on my forehead and something like this. I really do what I do with a bronzer to sculpt my face. I applied this blush under this product, so I have a little bit of pink. So I like to see the color to understand better. Whether it's a warm gold, it's not white. It's a little bit darker than my skin, but it gives you a very nice glow, especially if you blend it. So don't expect a real satin or metallic finish of this blush because it does not. It's really something that melts together with your skin. And I think it's very useful going towards the spring, because it enhances a sort of warm component of your skin. You can apply it also alone without the blush underneath, and you can catch this biscuit tone if you have fair skin. I'm trying to imagine how it could work on darker skin, and I think it could look nice, because you should have these golden tones coming out a little bit more, so maybe it will work better as an highlighter, and on fair skin really gives you this sort of sculpting glow. I don't know how to call it otherwise. So on my lips I have Coco Flash number 90, and on my eyes I used a mix of Candor at Seduction by Chanel and Beautiful Golden Snow from Dior. I didn't purchase the eyeshadow quad from Chanel, but I lined my eyes with Psyche. That was this beautiful burgundy pencil by Chanel. But if you want to see all this makeup and products in action, please follow the second part of my video. So I just want to start using this white shade. This is from latest holiday collection from Dior, and it's a very beautiful bright white shade. So it's very luminous and satin. Now I take a Psyche liner from Chanel and I gently line my eyes. So you see Psyche, it's a very beautiful burgundy shade. So I take a Candor at Seduction from Chanel and I take a flat brush like this. I think I will take this shade because I don't really want to go darker, but just little touch of cherry over my Psyche liner. I blend everything into nothing, I mean, very, very subtle. Okay, something like this, and I put mascara on to see how it looks like. I take this primer by Estée Lauder. Have also Le Volume by Chanel, but picked up the first mascara yet. I could take my beloved Contour Clair if I found it. I always lose this precious tool, and I add a little bit of shadow here. You have hooded eyes like me, this product really helps to bring back this white space. A little touch of blush, just to feel alive. So now it's time to try this beautiful highlighter, and it's so precious. It has this brush on, so you have this brush. I can't really describe this masterpiece. Literally so beautiful, and I wanna let you see how it looks like with this brush. So I don't know if you can see, it's just a reflection, and it's a warmer reflection, so it's an illuminating blush, just because it's a little bit darker than a traditional highlighter. And you can see it, maybe if you get closer, I'm very fair, but you can see just like a darker shadow. I mean, if you look in front of me here, but if you blend it like this, so if you diffuse the product, it's very nice. So so in my opinion, you should blend it and not apply it like single touch as a traditional highlighter. So it really has to blend with your skin together and be part of your skin. So this is my impression. So you can see, if you blend it, it really gives you a nice glow. It's like, don't take me wrong, but a sort of highlighter and contour, I mean, so you can sculpt your face with a beautiful glow. And you see, it's not that flashy highlighter, but it's really something that can give you, yes, a nice glow. And I think it's perfect for spring season, so also for summer, maybe when you have darker skin because you get tan, or if you like to add warmer touch, but very subtle, so it really gets this glow, a warm gold glow. So I'm adding more product to let you see how it's buildable. And yes, I already had blush underneath, so I'm adding another color over, and I think it's a better way, because alone, yes, it gives you a very light color, bronzy color, but if you add it over blush, it can really enhance and work also as a beautiful highlighter. So for the upper cheek, this is very soft, and I put it here on the, so you see, it's very natural. Can add it. I take with my finger, and yes, over, you see, it was a white shade, and if I put it over, it takes a warmer reflection. So it really makes sense to combine it with the stick, with the Bomb Stick highlighter that is Perles, because it's so silver. Instead, this is quite warm, and I think that together could give a very nice a nice glow. So I can see this kind of reflection putting this highlighter over my white silvery eyeshadow, and I really love how natural it turns out. So putting with your finger, you can really add some individual point, but I don't think that it's a better way for this highlighter to work, so it should be blended. I apply with my finger a mix of Boy and Jour from Coco Flash. So my impression about this illuminating blush are very good. I really thought that it could look darker on my skin because I have a very fair skin. So you can see it really gives you a glow, so a subtle glow. It's very different from traditional highlighter I have. So thank you for have joined me also for this review. I hope this video could be helpful for you. If you have any question about this highlighter, please comment below, ask me what you desire to know about this product. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!